Welcome to the Ross Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with our easy and tasty dinner ideas. We're making the BariGirls Brussels sprout casserole with Hen House Market's rotisserie chicken.
Then, Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber, which is good for keeping the beneficial bacteria in our gut happy. Happy gut, happy life. Happy life, happy gut. I like that. I really do.
I agree. And they also provide essential minerals such as potassium and calcium to keep your muscles and bones healthy.
Yeah.
Let's rock this casserole. We'll preheat our oven to 375 degrees. And in a large oven-proof skillet over medium heat, we'll cook our bacon, stirring occasionally until crispy, about 8 minutes. And then we'll transfer to a paper towel-lined plate and let that cool slightly, and we'll discard any bacon fat.
From there, we're going to return the skillet to medium heat and melt the butter. Add shallots, Brussels sprouts. We're going to season with salt and cayenne, cook and stir occasionally. Basically, we're doing this until tender. Takes about 10 minutes or so. Transfer the bacon to the cutting board and finely chop. From there, remove the skillet from the heat and drizzle in that heavy cream.
Next is my favorite part. We'll top with the Gruyere cheese, cheddar cheese, and bacon. We'll bake until the cheese is bubbly for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now, if your cheese isn't golden, you can broil it, but watch it closely. So only broil for maybe 1 minute. We'll serve with Hen House rotisserie chicken and watch your family enjoy this beneficial vegetable.
And there you have it. Cost-effective and healthy dish from your local Hen House Market and the BariGirls.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Ross Living.